This one behavior makes her think about you nonstop. Most men think attraction is built in the moment. What they don't realize is that real attraction starts after the moment ends. When you're no longer there, when the room goes quiet, when nothing is happening, that's when her mind decides if you mattered. And there's one behavior, just one, that quietly decides whether she forgets you or keeps coming back to you in her thoughts without trying. If you've ever felt like a woman was interested, but then slowly drifted away, this video will explain why. Stay till the end, and if this hits a nerve, subscribe, you'll want what comes next. Let's talk about what most men do wrong. They try to hold the feeling. A good conversation happens, and they stretch it. A deep moment appears, and they press into it. They add more words, more emotion, more presence. Thinking more equals stronger, but attraction doesn't work like hunger. You don't eat until you're sick and expect to crave food later. The behavior that makes her think about you nonstop is this: knowing when to stop while things are still warm. Not cold, not distant, not dramatic, just complete enough. This is where storytelling matters. Imagine this: you and her are talking, it's flowing, she's relaxed, maybe even opening up. There's laughter, maybe silence that feels easy. Most men feel panic here. They sense the moment and think, I can't lose this. So they lean in emotionally, they explain more, they try to lock the feeling down. But the man who stays in her head does the opposite. He lets the moment end before it fades. He doesn't rush the goodbye. He doesn't drag it out either. He leaves while the energy is still alive. And that creates a strange effect in her mind, because her body felt something, but her mind didn't get closure. And the mind hates that. Here's the truth. Nobody says clearly. A woman doesn't think nonstop about the man who gave her everything. She thinks about the man who gave her a feeling, then trusted it enough to step back. That trust is loud. It says, I don't need to squeeze this moment to feel okay. I'm comfortable letting things breathe. I know my value doesn't disappear when I walk away. That energy stays. Now let's get more precise. This behavior is not silence. Silence without warmth feels like rejection. It's not mystery either. Fake mystery feels forced. It's emotional self-control. You're present, you're real, you're engaged, but you don't spill yourself. You don't explain every thought. You don't chase every reaction. You don't turn connection into a performance. That restraint creates space, and space is where desire grows. Think about the songs you replay. They don't finish emotionally. They leave something hanging. Same with people. When you don't overstay emotionally, her mind starts doing something interesting. It fills the gap. She replays your tone, your pauses, the way you didn't ask for reassurance, the way you didn't need the moment to go a certain way. That's when thinking begins. Not logical thinking, emotional replay. An emotional replay is stronger than attention. Here's a small example. She shares something personal, something real. Most men jump in with fixing advice, comfort, words, but you listen, you say something simple, honest. That sounds heavy. Then you stop. You don't rush to rescue. You don't turn it into a speech. That pause shows respect, and respect mixed with calm is dangerous in the best way. Because now she feels understood without being handled. That's rare, and rare things stay in the mind. This is why she thinks about you later, not during, because during the moment she was feeling, after the moment she's wondering, why did that feel different? Why didn't he need more from me? Why do I feel calm thinking about him? The mind chases what feels steady but unfinished. And here's the quiet power of this behavior. It puts her in motion mentally. You didn't chase, you didn't withdraw, you didn't manipulate. You simply trusted that the connection didn't need force. That trust flips the usual roles. Now she's the one revisiting, replaying, checking her phone without knowing why. Not because you disappeared, but because you left at the right time. Most men stay too long emotionally. They drain the moment dry. The man she can't stop thinking about knows when enough is enough. And that's not cold, that's confident, that's grounded, that's attractive without trying. If you learn this behavior, you won't need tricks. You won't need lines. You won't need to stay in constant contact. You'll become a presence that lingers, and that's the kind of attraction that grows on its own. If this made you see your past interactions differently, stick around. Psych Pathway is about understanding what really moves people, not what sounds good on the surface. We're just getting started.